Oh my god, this picture is so cute. Isn't it? Yeah. I cannot wait to post this. Everyone is gonna love us. So. And posted. Oh, he's got a story. What the?
I cropped it in Instagram. Drew hearts around the part where you were holding my hand. Posted it up, hashtag meant to be. Had everybody wishing they were me. But then, scrolling through your homepage last night, I saw a reflection in your glass of wine. So I walked in my room, turned on the light, got in my Facebook. I searched up your name just to be sure. I took one last look and I blocked you. Yeah. I blocked you from my wall. Yeah, I blocked you. Deleted my number so you couldn't call. And you're not my profile picture, but I still like that picture, so I just cut you out. And it's still my profile pic. It's got those obvious little edges where your face used to be, and it still makes my mom feel sick. So I walked in my room, turned on the light, got in my Facebook.